Here's what to do if your Pentair Easy Touch System pool pump won't start. First of all, check your control panel and see if it's set for pool. Sometimes it can be in service or timeout. Make sure you have pool settings over here. We clear, the filter pump is active. The third method would be, here's a reset button. You press it and the system will reset. You can see everything is at 0, but it doesn't lose any settings, it's just resetting itself. Eventually you'll see the temperature of the air, the pump comes on. Well, it doesn't come on, but it shows all the settings. And one of the last things that can be the problem, sometimes when you clear the baskets in the pump, you will close it and not properly seal the lid. So let's check what the pump is saying to us. There's a lid here and it says alarm, prime and drying. We can also press reset here and see what will it do. And of course we didn't see any water, that means we need to prime the pump. Alright, that should do it. And let's check it again. Reset and start. And here you go. This is how you start your pool pump.